one memory location will be created by compiler, and this memory location is I. If int I would be there, simply I variable is going to assign some memory with the help of operating system, and if we are having memory associated with this variable, then the address of this variable would be anything. So I am assuming that the address of this variable is 100. After that, in the next line, we are having one more variable, that is ptr. Ptr is the name of this variable, and what this ptr is, it is also of integer type variable. So ptr, this is integer type variable, and what it is going to hold, it will also have some address. So I am assuming it is having 200 as an address, right? Now in the third line, we are having one more variable, and its name is double ptr. So one more variable, double ptr, and its location would be, let's say, 300. I am just assuming the addresses of it, it can be anything. After that, line number 4, triple ptr. So triple ptr, it will have some block like this, and let's say its address is 100, right? So we have just scanned first 4 lines. This is how compiler will work, and it is going to assign memory one by one, right? After that, after that, right? After that, what will happen? That line number 5 will execute. So I equals to 25. What it will do? It will simply assign 25 to variable I. So simply 25 would be there. Correct? After that, ptr equals to m%i. It means that we are assigning something to ptr. And what exactly ptr is? We are assigning address of variable I to ptr. So what is address of I? 100, which we are assigning to ptr. So ptr is holding 100. It means that it is linking like this. ptr is holding the address of variable I. This is how pointer works. Now ptr is a pointer variable. Getting it? Now what the line number 7 is doing? pptr, double pointer. It is holding the address of ptr. What does that mean? It means that it is holding the address of pointer. It is holding the address of pointer variable, that is ptr. What is the address of ptr? Let's say if it is 200, so it is going to have 200, and we are assigning this 200 to double ptr. It means that pptr, which is pointer to pointer, is having address of ptr, right? So you can see ptr is a pointer variable which is having variable i's address, and double ptr is again pointer variable which is holding address of something which is already pointer. That is why it is called as pointer to pointer. Similarly, in line number 8, we are having one more pointer variable, triple ptr, and which is having address of double ptr. So it is triple ptr. What it is holding? It is holding address of double ptr. Address of double ptr is what? 300. It is holded by triple ptr. So it is linked like this. So we have just created an architecture as of now, and now we need to answer the outputs. I hope this architecture is clear. In this architecture, we have completely created based on the given code to us, right? Now what I will print, this I will print simple 25, because we are just calling the variable name I. Thereafter we are calling star ptr. What the star ptr means? We have learned yesterday that pointer have two operators, ampersand and asterisk. Ampersand is address of operator, and asterisk is value at operator. So value at ptr, what is value at ptr? Value at 100. What is value at 100? 25. So question number 2 will also print 25. After that, we are printing ptr. What is ptr? Ptr is having 100 is 100, so it is going to print 100. After that, what we are having? Double star ptr. So you need to careful here. double star pptr. So first we are going to use this first asterisk. It means that we need to be at the variable name double ptr. We need to use star first. So first we need to evaluate first pointer. So value at double ptr. What is value at double ptr? Value at 200. So what is value at 200? 100. So right now we are having 100. Now we again have one more star. It means that we are again asking the value at 100. What is value at 100? 25. So it will give me 25 as an output. So the basic concept is there that if we are having double PTR, we must have double asterisk before it. If we are having triple PTR, we must have triple star before it. Getting it? So it is nothing but pointer to pointer. First is asking the address of double PTR, what it is having, and thereafter it is again asking what this is having. So double asterisk, it means that we are in the requirement of pointer to pointer. Okay, it will become much simpler. Just observe question number 5. Double star PTR. Yes, what happened? Yes. Okay. Now, what double star PTR will have? So double star PTR, observe it carefully. Double star PTR means I am going to solve this part first, right? So double star PTR. So star PTR, what PTR is having? 100. And what star PTR will give me? Value at 100. What is value at 100? Value at location 100 is 25. So this complete part is giving me 25. Now I am going to solve this star. Star PTR means what? Value at location 25. Do I have any value at location 25? No, 25 itself is a value. I don't have any value at 25. So it will give me garbage value because we are asking for the output of the location which doesn't exist. 25 is not an address of any location and we are asking value at that location which is not in the existence. So garbage value would be the output for question number 5. Let's see the question number 6. Triple star double PTR. So see here, triple star. Let me try to write it like that. Triple star and double PTR. So first I am going to solve this part. Value at double PTR. What is double PTR? Double PTR is holding 200. What is value at 200? Value at 200 is 100. So this part is going to give me 100. Now I need to evaluate this star. Value at 100. What is value at 100? 25. So this part, up to this part, it is going to give me 25. Now this star is remaining. Value at 25. Again value at 25 is what? 25 is not a part of location. So value at 25 is again garbage value. So question number 6 is again garbage value. Question number 7. Double PTR. Double PTR means we are only asking what double PTR is having. Double PTR is having 200. 200 would be the output. Star PPTR means what double PTR is having 200. One star means value at 200. What is value at 200? 100. 100 would be the output. And star triple PTR. What is triple PTR? Triple PTR is having 300. So 300. What is star triple PTR? Value at 300. What is value at 300? 200. So the output would be 200. And double star double PTR. So what is double PTR? 200. One star will give me value at 200, that is 100, and this star will give me value at 100, that is 25. So 25 will be the output. So let's verify. The question number 1 will give 25 as an output, second 25, third 100, fourth 25, fifth garbage value, sixth garbage value, seventh 200, eighth 100, and ninth 200, and 10th one is 25. And this is called as concept of pointer to pointer. This is why it is called as pointer to pointer, because we are having some variable which is holding address of some other variable, and again we are having variable which is holding address of pointer. Again we are having variable which is holding address of pointer variable. So whenever we are having a variable which is holding address of pointer variable, it is called as pointer to pointer. And for solving any question of pointer to pointer, we need to draw first architecture for analyzing, visualizing the concept, and thereafter we can answer any question that can be asked from pointer to pointer, right?